Greetings from the luxurious voyage of the future. Put your RV knowledge aside. With its camper design, the British luxury behemoth Bentley boldly breaks new territory in 2026. This is a message rather than just an automobile. The massive, striking alloy wheels, the flowing body lines reinforced with rich chrome and carbon fiber, and the large matrix grilles on each side of the thin adaptive LED headlamps all come together to create a stunning vehicle that flawlessly captures Bentley's essence. Bentley's distinctive grace and speed endure despite its enormous size. Beneath all that luxury is an equally amazing engine. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is anticipated to be powered by a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid drivetrain that consists of a twin-turbocharged V6 or V8 engine tuned for efficiency and power, as well as a strong electric motor. Even for a large car, the combined output may provide more than 700 horsepower and enormous volumes of immediate torque, guaranteeing smooth and faultless acceleration. It would also be able to travel quickly and pollutant-free due to its all-electric range. It's the ideal fusion of fashion, practicality, and ecological consciousness. As soon as you enter, the dashboard greets you as a marvel of design and technology. An ultra-wide, curved touchscreen infotainment display that runs almost the whole length of the dashboard and integrates 3D navigation, vehicle controls, and an innovative infotainment system is the major draw. It has beautiful burr wood inlays, hand stitching, polished chrome or aluminum hardware, and the finest leather. All relevant data is shown in an understandable format on the completely adjustable digital instrument panel. Buttons made of solid metal are unique pieces of art that are pleasant to the touch. An opulent, movable lounge serves as the interior living space. The sofas and thick, quilted leather chairs are electrically adjustable and incredibly comfortable. A large L-shaped sofa, a dining table that folds and conceals, or even swivel captain seats are available options. Large panoramic side windows with electrically adjustable opacity offer unhindered views. The ideal atmosphere is produced with a distinctive audio system from a reliable supplier that provides concert-caliber music and movable LED ambient lighting. The moment you enter the bedroom, you are transported to a tranquil haven. The finest silk sheets cover an orthopedic mattress made specifically for a king-size bed. To accommodate all of your needs, there is a walk-in closet with several storage drawers and inside lighting. Additionally, there is a concealed flat-screen TV that only turns on when necessary, and a touch-sensitive control panel next to the bed allows you to change the temperature, window shades, and lighting. Its serene environment and seclusion from the outside world provide for a good night's sleep. Designed to the standards of a five-star hotel, the bathroom is your personal sanctuary. It has a sophisticated smart toilet, 2 sinks with chrome or gold faucets, and heated marble floors. The full-size shower's body jets and rain shower head deliver steady water pressure. The revitalizing shower experience is completed with bright lighting, cutting-edge ventilation, and an anti-fog mirror, offering unmatched travel comfort. The Bentley Motorhome's kitchen is stylish and practical even if it's a culinary sanctuary. The worktops are composed of premium quartz or marble. Full-size refrigerators and freezers, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers are examples of built-in kitchen equipment from well-known manufacturers like Gagano and Sub-Zero. A built-in espresso maker, a wine refrigerator, and a ton of robust cabinet storage with soft close mechanisms are all included. You can cook delicious meals from anywhere with this kitchen.